Hi guys, welcome to the course of Generative AI Masters. My name is Bokhtiyar Ahmed Bappi and I'm having more than 5 years of working experience in the field of Python, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, MLOps and so on. Through the entire course, I'll be your instructor. In this course, we'll master the core practical generative AI for building professional level LLM powered application. So let's see the course curriculum. What are the things we're gonna cover throughout our entire course. So here you'll be learning about various kinds of generative AI application architecture like level 1 architecture, level 2 architecture and professional level 3 architecture. Then we'll be learning about how we can integrate various kinds of large language model, whether it's a commercial model, whether it's a open source model, all kinds of integration we'll be learning. We'll be also learning about retrieval augmented generation, that means RAG technique, like how we can implement the entire RAG application end to end with our custom dataset. Then we'll be learning about some orchestration framework like LangChain, LlamaIndex and OpenAI. Apart from that, we'll be also building some multimodal AI applications, like we'll be using some multimodal LLM. With the help of that, we'll be also creating some application. We'll be also learning how we can create the agents and multi-agent system. In this course, you'll be also learning one very important concept inside generative AI called LLM Ops. With the help of LLM Ops, you'll be learning how we can manage our entire generative AI application. In this course, we'll also master the second generation of LangChain called LangChain Expression Language, LCEL. So this is super important concept inside generative AI nowadays. If you are using legacy LangChain, so it would be deprecated soon. So you have to start with second generation of LangChain, which is called LangChain Expression Language or LCEL. After learning all the concept, we'll be starting with the real world project implementation. So here I'll show you how we can create level 1 application, level 2 application, and the final very professional LLM application, which is also called level 3 application. After that, we'll be also learning how we can deploy these kinds of application as production grade as a CI/CD pipeline. So guys, here is the entire curriculum. You can open this curriculum and you can see what are the topics we're going to cover, what the topics are mentioned in each and every module, so that you can get the entire idea about this course. So this is going to be one amazing practical based generative AI mastery course. So here the main things we'll be learning about the application development, like how we can develop professional level application. Okay, so here's the requirement. So at least you should have the idea about Python programming, because Python is required. Otherwise, if you're a beginner, if you want to start your career with generative AI, so you can start with this course. So all the information are mentioned in this dashboard. You can go through this dashboard, like the course start date, then the course timing and all, everything is mentioned. So yes guys, this is all about from my side. Welcome again and let's connect in the course.